Hello guys, welcome to our second video of 30 days of code playlist. So let us see our second problem that we have on HackerRank is day 1 data types. So let us move to the problem and see what it is asking us to do. Here we have to declare three variables, one of type integer, the another is double and the last one is string. After taking input from user, you have to perform some operations. So, as I have read the question previously, I will directly move to the coding part. But when you are solving this question yourself on HackerRank, please read the question properly and then solve the problem. So, let us see the input part. The first input that we have to take is integer, and the second one is float or double, and the last one is string. We can see the output. We have to perform some concatenation operation and we have to print the output on a computer screen. So let us see how we can solve this problem. As I have told in my previous videos, I'll be solving all the problems using Python, but you can switch to any other languages from here like Java, C, C++. I'll be using Python 3. Here they have already declared some values, and using these you have to concatenate the values that you will take from user as an input, and you have to print that values as an output. So first let us take an integer input from user. To take an input, as I have told in my previous video, we use the keyword input and parenthesis. This takes an input by default string from user. We will store it in some variable, let's say a, and we have to convert it into integer. So to convert a string value into integer, we typecast. To typecast an string value into integer, we can use int and parenthesis. It will take a string value from the user and will convert it into integer and will store in the variable a. Similarly, for float, we will write a variable name, say b equals float and the keyword input. And the last one is easy. We have to take a string input. So we will write c equals input and parenthesis. So our input part is done. Now we have to perform the concatenation operation. You have to add the integer part alone, the float part alone, and you have to concatenate the string part alone, and you have to print it on your computer screen. So let us see. Let's take a variable name, say sum underscore integer equals I plus a. To print the sum of integers, just write the keyword print and in brackets the variable name, that is sum underscore integer. Similarly, we will do for float variables. Take a variable name as sum underscore float and add both the float values, which is d and b. And for printing the string value, which is here they have defined hacker rank and the string that you are taking from user as an input. We can write directly like this: print and the variable name c, but first you have to print hacker rank, so we will write S and some space and C. So our coding part is done. Let us run the code. Oops, there is some problem. Okay, we have an extra space, so we have to remove this extra space. Now we are good to go. Let us see. Okay, so we have not printed our float variables. So I will write print some float, and that's it. Perfect. We have passed all our test cases. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and share this video. Thank you.